children, good morning. Last class we studied the number names from 1 to 20. Today we are going to see the numbers on the abacus. See, this is an abacus. Abacus is used to count the numbers. So this is spike and we have beads in it. Okay, let us count and write the beads. So first is count the beads and write the number in the boxes. Okay. Now count and write. See one example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you write 6 here in the ones box and count here. Count the tens. Only 1. So 1. So total number is 16. Next sum. Count it again. Count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 beads. Write the number 4 here. And count the tens. 1, 2. You write 2 here. So total number is 24. And again another sum. Count the beads here in the ones place. There is no beads. So you have to put 0. Count the tens. We have only one bead. You write 1. So total number is 10. Next children, we are going to see before, after and between numbers. For this I give you one example. What is this? Egg. This one chick, and after that it is hen. So the chick is between, egg is before and hen is after. Okay. So this one is before. What is in between? Chick is between. So what is hen? After. So first egg will come, then in between it is chick, and after that we have hen. Okay. So see children, write the before numbers. So using this number line you have to find the before numbers. Okay. So what comes before 4? See the line here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the number before 4? Is 3. So write 3 here. Now count and see 3 and 4. Your answer is correct. Next, what comes before 1? There is no value. So you write 0. Okay. Next, write the after numbers. You are well known in writing the after numbers. I know. So 14 after. What is number 14 after? Yes, 15. You write 15 here. Next, what is 19 after number? See the number line. So after 19 you have 20, isn't it? So write 20 here. Next, write the between numbers. So what comes after 13? So 13 is here, isn't it? 15 is here. What is in between? 14. So write 14 here. Next, B sum 15 dash 17. So what comes 15 and 17 between number? So see here 15 and 16 and 17. So what is the number in between 15 and 17? We have 16. So you write 16 here. And after 18 you have 19 and 20. Okay children. So we studied before and after and between numbers. Next we go to the next topic. Hi first standard children. So your next topic is comparing numbers. Okay. So how to compare the numbers? We have to use the symbol less than, greater than or equal to. So what is less than symbol? So less than symbol is this one. It looks like L itself. Okay. Then what is greater than symbol? What is greater than symbol? Yes, this one. Then what is equal to symbol? So this is equal to symbol. So using this symbol we are going to compare the numbers from 1 to 20. Okay children, let us see one comparing number song rhymes. Okay, let us watch. Have you watched the videos, children? Yes, very good. Now we are going to see the sums. Let us see here. Count and write. Okay. The symbol, you have to write the symbol greater than or equal to or greater than. Okay. Count the kite here. 1, 2. Here 2. How many kites are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here 5. So what you have to write inside? Which one is bigger? 5 kite or 2 kite? Yes, that one. So 2 is less than 5. Okay. Next, B sum. Count how many balls inside the box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you have to write here? Both boxes are equal. So you have to write equal to symbol. Next, fill in the box with greater than, less than or equal to. So here also 2, here also 2. What should be written inside the box? Yes, equal to, because here also 2 and that side also 2. So both are equal. You have to put equal to symbol. Next, here 18, there 13. So which one is greater? 18. So the symbol should be open towards 18. Next, here 12, here 16. So which one is bigger? 16. So 12 is less than 16. Here 2 and that side also 2. So both sides are equal. You have to put equal to sign. See the B sum? Here 18 and that side 13. So which one is greater? 18. So the symbol should be open towards the greater number. You should put greater symbol. Then here see the C sum? Here 12, here 16. So which one is greater? 16. So 12 is less than 16. Okay children, so we studied in this first unit. What are the topics we studied? Tell me. We studied number names from 1 to 20. Then what we studied? Numbers on abacus. Then comparison of numbers. Then before, between and after numbers. And next we are going to study about ascending and descending order in the next class. Thank you.